In this screencast, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily upload an existing PowerPoint presentation, maybe your favorite PowerPoint lesson, into Nearpod. Why would you do that? The reason is Nearpod can make your PowerPoint more interactive, and it can allow you to collect results from students remotely. So the first step is when you want to make a new Nearpod lesson, or if you'd like to convert a PowerPoint into a Nearpod, you're going to go up to this plus sign after you're logged into Nearpod. It says Create. Then choose Lesson in Nearpod. Next, you will want to go to Upload Files. After that, just come to this arrow. It says Select Local File when you hover over top. I've saved this particular PowerPoint to desktop. Just double-click to add. And you'll notice here it's processing the file. If it's a large PowerPoint, it can take some time. After your PowerPoint uploads, it will look something like this. Now, you could save and exit and simply use that, but the whole advantage to using Nearpod is interactivity. So I want to show off a few things you can do to make your PowerPoint interactive. One thing you could do is you can convert any PowerPoint slide into a Draw It slide. So if I were to click on it, a slide, if you notice right here, as soon as I clicked on the slide, this box says Convert to Draw It. So this allows a student to interact with a picture or a question you might have asked, and I'll show you what happens. It does ask you, do you want to keep a copy of the original? Sometimes I'll say yes until I'm happy with the result. You can always delete extra slides later. If you notice here, it's appeared directly after the original slide as a Draw It slide. And what that will do is, again, that allows the students a chance to draw a picture or to respond in typing or writing to your slide. And also, you have the same features that I introduced in the last video of all this extra content. You can add 3D simulations, YouTube videos, matching games. You can add audio to your slide, which means you can record your voice over top. Just a lot of fantastic things. Well, thanks for listening on how to convert a PowerPoint. All you have to do then is click Save and Exit. Give your lesson a title. Assign a grade and a subject area. And there you'll see it in your library of lessons. To share the lesson, just hover over top, select Student Paste, and the code is right here. I believe if you use the share link, it will make your life even easier. It should allow them to join the lesson even without the code above, but I would include it in an email in addition to this, just in case. I hope this has been helpful, and have a great day.